This is Samsung Galaxy F14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls on this device. So to start, you will need to launch settings. Onwards, enter the accounts and backup category. In here, if you have at the manage accounts page, if you have any Google or Gmail accounts added, you will need to get rid of them by removing those accounts one by one. Once this step is out of the way, you can launch the general settings page again and enter the Google category this time. Then at the bottom part of the page, go for the parental controls, get started, child or teenager, next. Now you will need to sign into your child's Google account. Afterwards, select the account you have just signed into from the list over here. Then log into the parent account this time, or the Google account that you will use for supervising your child's activity. At the following About Supervision page, at the very bottom part of it, you will need to enter the password to the child's Google account or Gmail account once again to proceed. So do that, tap at the agree button, then go for the allow option at the following dialog window you will get. Wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked together, and then proceed. The following two steps we can skip, since we will be able to set those things up later on as well, and at the moment I would assume that we are more focused on finishing this setup sooner than prematurely setting up the controls. So from here you can just skip this step, to be honest, and then take your parental device, open the Play Store on the said device, and download the Google Family Link app. After the app is ready, you gotta launch it. And the important step to note at this point is to sign in to the parental Google account. And inside the app, you can do such things as setting up the daily usage limits, downtime routine, app limits, content and age restrictions, configure your child account settings, manage devices if you have multiple people to supervise, monitor and check your child's location, see the device usage highlights, and so on. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.